So hello everyone, I'm King Muhammad Kuring, and this video is about storage media and location. I'll explain different storage type used for backup and where developers store their data safely. So now, what is storage media? Storage media refers to the physical devices or digital spaces where we save our data. Choosing the right storage media is important for protecting information and ensuring easy recovery. Like an hard disk drive or HDD are traditional storage devices. They offer larger capacity at a low cost, but they are slower and more fragile in modern alternatives. And solid state drives, SSD. Solid state drive or SSD are much faster than HDD because they have no moving parts. They are more durable and reliable, but usually more expensive. USB flash drive. USB flash drive are small, portable, and affordable. They're great for quick file transfer, but not ideal for long-term backups because they wear out faster. External hard drives. External hard drives are commonly used for local backups. They offer lots of space and can be disconnected for safety. So NAS, network attached storage. NAS devices connect to a network and allow multiple users to store and access files. They are very useful for development teams working on shared projects. And cloud storage. Cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and S3 store your data online on remote services. This projects your information even if your physical devices are damaged. So lastly, storage location. Storage can be local, offsite, or hybrid. Local means on your own device. Offsite means in a different physical location. Hybrid mix both and provides the best protection. So in other words, the best storage choice depends on cost, speed, durability, and risk. Thank you for watching.